Next, in CSS, we are going to design this horizontal navigation bar along with this drop-down menu, which will appear when we hover over this course element. So here is our basic HTML. And within body section, first of all, I'm creating one unordered list inside div. Div, here we are not giving any class. And within this div, we have to design that unordered list. So UL for unordered list, within this UL, this is our li, and here we have to give a href equals to, it's a dummy link, so I'm not giving any page to link here, and here I'm giving home. Same way we have to do for about us. And then this is course. And last one is contact. Save it, and our list is looking like this on our browser. So this is our list. Here we can see that sub list, this drop down is appearing under course menu. So here, this li, this is the starting of li and this is the closing of li. So before closing of this li, now to this li I'm giving style equals to position to relative. Save it, and here I'm creating one div to which I have assigned a class drop down. We are going to create this class later, and to this drop down is going to appear under this code. So here I'm giving position to absolute. We have to put style here. Style equals to position to absolute. We'll set the margin later. And within this div, again we have to give UL. And within this UL, we have to give list. And here we can give the list. So a href equals to, within double quotes, we are not giving any link here, we are making it a dummy link. English. Same way we are going to design 6-7 links. And, social studies, then is computer, and last one here we are doing is art. And it is looking like this on our browser. So this is our list: home, about us, courses, under courses, contacts. These things are overlapping here, and this is our sub list. So here, first of all, we have to remove those bullets. So in that section, this is our style tag. And within the style tag, first of all, I'm removing all the margins and padding. The margin is 0 and the padding is 0. Then I have to remove those bullets. So for bullets, we have to do UL, then li. And here we can say list style type to none. This is going to remove those bullets. Save, and it's looking like this. Bullets are gone. Next, we have to give background color to this list. So here only I'm giving background color of dark cyan. So here it has got a background color. Next, we need to display this list in horizontal form. So here I'm creating UL, then li. Now within this, now here we don't need li, we can directly say UL. This will remove uh, bullets even. And here we are saying UL ally, and here we are setting display property to inline block. Save it. So this is a horizontal list. Our first is our home, then is about us, then course, contact, and this is sub list of this course. Now we can give here padding, because with inline block elements we can give padding and margin. Padding here I'm giving is 15 pixel. So it has got a padding of 15 pixel. Next we want to put this contact to extreme right side. So here I'm going to contact only. Here I will be using inline CSS. So style equals to, and here I'm giving float to right. Save, and now that contact has moved to right side. Here we can see that this sublist, this drop down is overlapping this horizontal navigation bar. It is coming above it. So here we can do, here we have given position as absolute. So here we can set the margin top and left. First of all, we are setting margin top to, here I'm giving it 15 pixel, and has come a little down. If we want to show a little white strip here, so we can give more than 15 pixels, like 15 point. Here I'm giving 5. Save. So here you can see the little white strip in between these. Now we want to shift it little left side, so margin left. And here I'm giving it 14 pixel. So here it has moved little right side. We want to move it left side, so here it should be minus 14 pixel. So now this list is under that course element. Now to show this back drop down list in the form of block, for that dot drop down, then UL ally, and here we have to put display to block. Save. Now it is in the form of block. Now we want that this drop down should be displayed only when we hover over this course element, otherwise it should not display this drop down. So here dot drop down, and here we have to put display to none. So this drop down is gone. Now it should only be shown when our cursor is over this course element. So here UL ally, whenever we hover over that UL's ally, that time it should display that drop down. So here we have to say display to block. Save. Now here it is not showing drop down. Here we haven't given any drop down. Now here it will show drop down only when we hover over this course element. Next we want to remove this underline, and this we want to change the text color of these. So here we can say UL ally A, and here we'll say text decoration to none. And we want to change the text color as well. So color of text should be white. Save. Now it has changed our text color, and it is showing only drop down only whenever we are hovering over it.